Hey yo, this is Dash, and today is different. The company Super Clean reached out to me, and I said yes for two reasons. First reason, I have a lot of dirty grills around my house. Second reason, I need to clean the dirty grills. Why not try something that I know should work? I have used some of the Super Clean products in the past, specifically the wheel cleaner on my car. But we're going to be using the wheel cleaner today on something different. Join me as I get my grills cleaned up.
Hey yo, this is Dash. Get ready.
All right, so just like I said earlier, we're using Super Clean today. We're going to be trying it out. I figured barbecue channel, cleaning product, what do you think I should clean? Yep, my grills. So I'm going to clean all of the grills on the side of the house, and if it works well enough, I even need to clean the ground, because usually about twice a year I pressure wash it and get all of the grease and gunk that falls onto the ground up. How can I use this to my advantage? I'm going to use this to clean my grills. So first things first, I'm going to actually get in here. We're going to use all of these things today. So we have a regular cleaner. I guess this one is slightly concentrated. Tough Task Cleaner Degreaser. We have a foaming same Tough Task Cleaner Degreaser. We have a spray, aerosol spray, same Tough Task Cleaner Degreaser. And we have Super Clean Wheel Cleaner. Now this is the stuff that I have used before on the wheels on my car, but we're not using it on the wheels on the car today. We got something a little special. First things first, I forgot the spray attachments inside the house. I need to go grab those, but I figured while I'm standing here at my cart, I can try this out. Wow. Yeah. Man. Much cleaner. Now where I am on the side of my house, I'm under, it's a covered porch. What happens is when I'm cooking, a lot of the ash and dust and the dirt and grime, it just gets trapped under here. So all of my grills and the things that sit on the side of the house are covered in a layer of dust. Can you see how clean this is? And this thing has only been sitting out here on the side of my house for a few months. That's remarkably much cleaner. I'm gonna get these spray bottle heads and we're gonna get to cleaning the rest of the grills. Alright guys, so unfortunately it's the winter and it's getting darker way earlier than expected. I tried to shoot as much video outside of me being able to, or actually cleaning up the grills and the smokers. Wow, I am completely blown away by this product. It's basically the same thing. Now, unfortunately for me, when they sent the package, there were no labels or instructions on which of the sprayers went to which bottle. So I had the wrong sprayers on the bottle. So I had the foaming sprayer on the regular cleaner bottle and the foaming sprayer on the wheel cleaner bottle. But I figured it out towards the end and got them all straightened out. I had the foaming sprayer on the foaming bottle, as well as the wheel care or wheel cleaner bottle, because this is what I've used before, and my goodness, if you guys saw how effortlessly I was able to clean everything up, there was no heavy intense scrubbing. Everything pretty much wiped right off. You can see the befores and the afters. I'm completely blown away at just how well this stuff actually works. I do have some things inside my kitchen I will be cleaning up. My wife told me not to use all of this product outside because I now get to help clean the kitchen. Thank you Super Clean for sending this out. I hope that I have a link down below for you guys to check out and get some of this stuff for yourselves. I highly recommend it. I didn't know what to expect going into this. They asked me if I wanted to review the product. I said yes. What better thing to actually clean than my grills? And man, oh man, did it do a very good job cleaning my grills. So much so that I now have to clean the patio because of all the grease and gunk that was rinsed off of the smokers is now on the patio, and I gotta clean that up too. So maybe I'll bring you guys back when I clean up those things. Super Clean, do you have anything to help clean patios? Hook a brother up. Anyway, thank you guys so very much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.
More water, baby.
Hey, look, guys, down below is listed the P.O. Box. If you want to send us something to try, a sauce, a seasoning, some jerky, feel free. Something funny, something for us to try, send it to the P.O. Box below. It's always listed in the description. But
thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. Join us on Wednesday night at 9 p.m. Eastern. We go live for 2 hours. In the first hour, we talk about barbecue or something barbecue business related. The second hour, come as you please and bring your flesh.
And we talk about anything.
And then we talk about anything.
All right. Well, not her, but me. So.
Sometimes I peek in.
Yes, you do. So you want to tell them thank them again for watching?
Thank you again for watching.
And we'll see you. Oh, I'm sorry.
And please do subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
All right. Thank you guys.
Bye.